Solar DC refrigerator has digital display at the front bottom showing the internal temperature. There is compressor and controller section on the right bottom side with power connector point. The compartment mesh and bottom plate has rodent proof design. There is a mesh at the backside of the compressor compartment giving proper ventilation and avoid excess heating, along with a label at the top giving all technical details along with the circuit diagram for reference. On the left hand side bottom there is an outlet for liquid during manual defrost. Inside the refrigerator the lid has LED light for easy visibility and there is one basket for multi-utility purpose, and at the bottom pull open type outlet provided for manual defrosting. The pack includes one solar charge controller, one power adapter, one connector, user manual card with warranty card on the last page along with a serial number sticker. Lock and key with handle for the refrigerator. Now, once the complete installation is done, the refrigerator is powered on by just plugging in the connector and it is ready for providing efficient cooling.